Hi, I'm Matthew Gross, and today I'm going to show you how I install my Winegrard Gateway. It's the GW1000. I did purchase it from Winegard directly, and my RV already has the Air 360 Plus on the roof with the wires already ran. It should be just right underneath this cap somewhere. Okay, I'm really excited to get this install going. Okay, let's remove this cap and see what's underneath it. Hopefully my wires. I do see a couple wires. Ow! I do see a couple wires in here. Getting them through. I don't know what this is, the light wire or... Maybe I might need to put a bigger hole. Okay. This might be what we're looking for. Okay. Earlier I did do a test with the Gateway. I did power it up here and plugged in the wires. I just had it temporarily hanging. It does work. Seems to work pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and break down the wires again and do the permanent install. Okay, great. All right, with the Winegrard GW1000 installation video out of the way, there will be another video with the RV out receiving signals from, we'll do a few different locations. We'll test the strength and the range, how far we are from, you know, the building providing the internet to us. So that's the main exciting part of having the Winegard. Let's see how well it works. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.